guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I decided to do a different kind of video, like completely different. I did a get ready with me with this look, but I didn't do a talk through. I literally just put some chill music, sped it up, and kind of just got ready with you. And then I also am doing a little bit of vlogging. By the way, duh, if you can't tell by the title of the video, I am getting ready to go to a Taylor Swift and Camila Cabello concert. So I wanted to film it for you guys, and then I also wanted to take you guys along with me. I'm just going to vlog on my phone and take you guys. I am going with Wyatt, my boyfriend, and then his sister and her boyfriend, since it'll be the four of us, and we're gonna go to dinner first and then the concert. So I figured I could vlog a little bit because I'm gonna be taking videos on my phone anyways. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Today, let me look her up. Today's post notification shout out goes to Marnice Andrews. Marnice, thank you so much for having your post notifications on, for being an awesome subscriber. I love you so much. And if you want to be my next post notification shout out, all you have to do is turn them on and comment when you were done. Let's get into the video and let's go to a concert. Woo!
dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Alright guys, and we are done with the looks. Pretty much I'm wearing like a straight little cami with my camo jacket and a black skirt and a little bit of hoop earrings. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this kind of video. I've never done one where I'm not talking, but like I said, I saw somebody else do it and I thought it was kind of relaxing, just chilling there with some music without actually explaining the steps. And anyways, so like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be doing a little bit of vlogging. It's not going to be like an actual vlog. I am just going to do it on my phone, and I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of the dinner that we're going to, and then of course the concert. I'm so excited. It's just so sad that I just can't wait to see Camila Cabello. I know it's Taylor Swift's concert, but I really wanted to go to Camila's concert, but she didn't have an actual one in Houston. She's only opening for Taylor, so I'm just happy I get to see her. So anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the rest of the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you.